Good day, everyone. My name is Dickin Shirley, and I'm glad to come your way again. So today, um, we'll be talking about AI automation. So this is our first training of the year, and I want you to just pay attention to details, right? So the objective of this course is to build automations, master Claude, connect with n8n and serve clients, right? So that's the basic objective of this course. So introduction to AI automation. What is AI automation? Using AI plus software to complete tasks automatically without human input every time, right? So that's what AI automation is. Now, real life use cases, business operations, marketing workflows, customer support, and personal productivity, right? So these are the real life use cases, right? So and also make money with automation. So you can also make money as a freelancer, entrepreneurs could build streams of income selling automation services. So getting started with Cloudy. Cloudy is an Anthropic's power AI model built for nuanced, intelligent conversations and content tasks. So that's what Cloudy is all about. So you can do content generation, blog posts, captions, script. You can do that. You can reply to customers. You can generate ideas. So all these things we're going to do practical in our next video. So just pay attention. So this is just an overview of what we'll be doing. So the next one is introduction to n8n, right? N8n is a powerful open source automation tool that lets you connect apps and build workflows visually. No code needed, so you don't need code. So these are the three major parts in this N8n, right? So the first one is to trigger, number two is process, number three is action. So as to do practical, you'll be able to understand what this trigger is, what this process is, and what action is. So your first automation, connecting Cloud D plus N8N, right? Bring together AI intelligence and workflow automation to handle tasks automatically end to end, or to generate blog posts or social media content, send automated AI crafted replies, trigger actions based on incoming data. So these are the things you can use both Cloud D and N8N together to achieve, right? So you can build automations. That's so smart automations. Multi-step workflows chain multiple actions together so one triggers set off an entire sequence, right? So it's a chain of workflows. This one triggers this one triggers this one, or you see how we're going to be doing that when we start doing our practical, right? So combining tools to integrate Cloudy with apps like Gmail, Notion, Slack, and more inside N8, and you can combine all together. So this another one is automate repetitive tasks, right? If there are tasks you do maybe every Mondays or every Fridays, you write report every Friday, so you can automate it that every Friday it will generate the report and send to whoever you want to send it to. So business use cases, WhatsApp replies, auto respond to customer message instantly using AI crafted answers, email responses, route categories and respond to emails without lifting a finger. Then social media content generate and schedule posts automatically across platforms. So these are things you can use Cloudy plus N8N to do. So making money with AI automation, how to sell automation services. So this is the entrepreneur part, this is the freelance part of it, right? How to sell automation services. There is demand for automation expertise. Learn where to find client, how to price your services, and how to package your offer to maximum impact. Find client on LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, local businesses, and even social media. You can on Facebook, on Instagram, you can get client from there. And price by value delivered, not by hours spent, right? So with that, you'll be able to get more clients. Bundle setup and maintenance for recurring income. So you can set up different packages for different organizations and recurring in maintenance for them. So for small business setup, you can do full automation stack for local businesses, social media service, automated content creation and scheduling, then customer support bot, AI powered responses across WhatsApp and email. So what you will also be getting bonus. The bonus you'll be getting from this training. Number one, you'll be getting an automation template, you'll be getting a Cloudy prompt library, tools to scale faster. So these are the things you will be getting at the end of this class. So please, I will also, if you need this, PDF, you can send a message directly to me, and I want to give you this PDF document so that you can go through it, watch this video, and learn how to do automation. So in my next class, we'll be back to Cloud D, how to set up Cloud D and how to start using Cloud D. That's what we'll do in our next class. Then after that, we'll now go to n8n, be able to do our automation in n8n combination with Cloud D and all. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next class. Thank you. My name is still remain Dick Shirley. Have a nice day.